Now, all of a sudden, 2 days later, they say, we're going to beat and kill you if you don't leave immediately. That's not legal. The world is watching.
Last week, a dendritic cell recognized this pathogen by PAMPs in the periphery. What do these PAMPs look like? Tents, signs, dreadlocks, strange apparel, whatever looks out of the ordinary.
Well, I think part of occupation, or the ethic behind occupation, is that these are public spaces. Coming out and putting your body in public and being seen, it's sort of radical.
The dendritic cell endocytosed the pathogen, processed into peptides, and presented it with MHC2 on its surface, acting as an antigen-presenting cell. The antigen-presenting cell traveled through lymphatic vessels to the thymus. The dendritic cell presented the antigen to naive T cells on its MHC2 peptide complex. The T cell receptor recognized the bound peptide on the MHC class II, receiving the first signal towards activation. The T cell received its second signal when its CD28 bound to B7 on the dendritic cell, both co-stimulatory molecules. Take note, recruits, this second signal is necessary to complete activation.
The APC also released cytokines that further activated T cell proliferation. Meanwhile, your predecessors, the team of B cells before you, recognized the same pathogen and ingested it by endocytosis. They processed the pathogen into peptides and presented it on their cell surface with MHC class II. Like them, you will also play the role of antigen-presenting cell. There were activated T cells that had the same specificity as those B cells, and the T cell bound with their MHC class II peptide complex, along with co-stimulatory molecules. The T cell released cytokines which helped our previous B cell recruits proliferate and differentiate.
The T cells then expressed CD40 ligand that bound to CD40 on the B cell surface. In order to induce B cell proliferation and differentiation into plasma cells, the CD4 positive T cell produced cytokines such as IL-4.
The plasma cells were then able to produce antibodies which traveled to the site of infection, where the innate immunity had already been battling infection for about 4 days. Their antibodies were their method of clearance of the pathogen by opsonizing them. They marked it for death via complement or phagocytosis. We thought we cleared out the Occupiers strain, but another strain has arisen, more resistant than the previous.
You want my blood? You can have it December 6th and 7th. You can't take it? I'll give you a pint for free.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to clear them out. This message will self-destruct in 3 seconds.